Dude, there's birds having sex over there.
Right, basically, this bike check is sponsored by Monster, because I just went to the shop and brought a Monster. Basically, I've got a We the People 2013 Curse frame, Salt Curse forks, United bars, vocal, is it vocal stem fin? I think it's, was it vocal?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. 1080, yeah, 1080 headset, Rhino tyres, because all about the Rhino, 20 inch by, yeah, 20 inch by 1.95, going for the thin tyres, random unbranded rims, unbranded spokes and Quando hubs on the back and rear, because going for that unbranded look. Shadow half link chain, a clap full CNC sprocket, salt cranks, a clap pedals, We the People seat with a nitrous seat post, and it's got a rip in the front of it. If you can get a shot for that of that thing, yeah. There's a really big rip in the front of it from learning whiplashes. And this, oh yeah, Eastern Bikes bottom bracket, and that's the sound of my cassette. And I don't run pegs because I'm park. I do not do this street thing you talk of. And that's my bike check. Oh, it's got duo grips and an ODI bar end. I ain't got bar ends, I've got bar end because the other one broke off. So that's
Dude, there's birds having sex over there.